to have a solution for the pair of linear equations. Before that, I would like my students to recollect what is the standard form of pair of linear equation. The standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now, I am going to compare the ratio of coefficients of these two equations and we conclude how the graphical representation and the algebraic representation, so that whether the solutions are consistent or inconsistent. This is what we are going to see in this video. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Here we go. I have my linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now, I am going to compare the ratio first. Compare ratios. Next, how the graphical representation will be. And how the algebraic expression will be. Then we conclude whether it is consistent or inconsistent. So first, I am going to compare the ratio such that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So my first comparison is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. All are equal. That means my graphical representation will be coinciding lines. So those two lines are going to coincide. So how my algebraic expression representation will be? It is infinitely many solutions. And the second one, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. I have written this and I cut from the right side, I cut the first ratio. So you can see the graphical representation will be parallel lines. So the algebraic representation will be no solution. And the third one, I have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. I already cut this. Now I cut this one. So my graphical representation will be intersecting lines. That is one solution. Now children, you must understand, first I wrote all the ratios are equal. I get coinciding lines. And the second one, I can see the first ratio and the second ratios are equal. It seems to be they are parallel lines. So my graphical representation will be parallel lines. And of course the parallel lines, no solution at all. And the third one, you can see this is cut. The next is this is cut. You start cutting from your right side. So cut it and then this cut it, and you can see this looks like intersecting. So my lines are going to be intersecting lines. They have only one solution. Now I conclude, even if the lines are having at least one solution, that is this one and this is many solutions these two lines are having. So one solution at least it has, then we say these two are consistent. And no solution, we say it is inconsistent. I give you one more clue for this. In and no, both are the antonyms. So no and in, that is opposite of S. So that is consistent and inconsistent. So we say no solution, it is inconsistent. One solution, it is consistent pair of linear equations. Hope everyone understood this video with this set of conditions.